Got corners? Use them. If you live in a round home, you have your own furnishing challenges. Getting something meaningful from unused corners is not one of them. A few tips from the rest of us. Wall-hugging corner designs actually enhance your usable space. By clipping off the pointy back corners found in rectangular designs, corner-fitted furniture slides further back into the corner, offering additional square footage of floor space, and reclaimed corner space behind. Ideal for power strips, component wiring, and even subwoofers. Best of all, pets and children are kept at bay, as moving the cabinet away from the wall is the only way to gain access. The warmth and visual interest of wood furniture is the most effective way to coax an out-of-the-way corner to rejoin the room. The eye can automatically crop an empty corner out of the room, while a beautifully decorated corner embellishes a room, pulls everything together, and invites the eye to linger around the space. Our furniture designers have created versatile selections specifically designed to fit efficiently into corners. At Leick Home, offering functional solutions to your furnishing challenges is our daily pursuit.